If you're ready to make AI your superpower, welcome. Every video gives you new tools, new tricks, and simple shortcuts to level up your workflow instantly. No fluff, no geek talk, just practical power you can use today.
What if you could turn a simple idea into a cinematic video in seconds? No complicated editing, no timeline headaches. Just describe what you want and the video appears. Today, I'm testing Dream Machine by Luma, a tool that claims it can turn imagination into images and videos using natural language. So let's see what it actually does. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out Dream Machine by Luma AI, a creative platform designed to generate images and videos directly from prompts. According to the site, it's built to take you from idea to final visual inside a single platform without switching tools. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the interface, test some features, and show you what creating content with this tool actually feels like. So the main idea behind Dream Machine is pretty simple. Instead of manually designing scenes, animating frames, or editing footage, you just describe what you want. The platform can generate AI images, AI videos, visual edits and modifications, character references, and even remix existing visuals, all inside one creative workspace. The goal here is to make storytelling faster, whether you're creating short videos, visual concepts, or creative scenes. When you open Dream Machine, the interface feels very clean and focused. On the left side, you have the main sections like boards, ideas. Editor boards are basically where you organize your projects. Right now, when creating a new one, it shows a message like no boards, start a board, which means you can group different ideas and visuals under the same theme. Once you start a board, that's where the creative workflow begins. At the bottom of the screen, there's a prompt bar where you type what you want to generate. You can choose options like keyframe, reference, modify, and the prompt field literally asks, what do you want to see? So the experience feels very similar to chatting with a creative assistant. According to the website, Dream Machine is built for multiple types of storytelling, things like film concepts, animation, visual effects, advertising visuals, game-style scenes, and the platform supports several core features. First is video generation, where you can start with a prompt or an image and generate motion from it. Then there's Modify, which lets you change images using simple instructions. Another feature is character reference, which helps maintain consistent characters across scenes. And there's also Share and Remix, which lets creators build on existing ideas. All of this is designed to keep the entire creative process inside one platform. Now let's talk about pricing. Dream Machine uses a credit-based system, and all plans include trial credits so you can test the platform. From the pricing page, there are three main individual plans. The Lite plan is about $30 per month, which includes usage credits and access to the core models. Then there's the Plus plan, around $90 per month, which adds higher usage and access to additional features. And the Ultra plan, which is about $300 per month, designed for heavier creative workloads. They also mention business plans coming soon, and larger teams can contact them for custom pricing. Under the hood, generation costs depend on things like resolution and model type, so higher quality videos naturally use more credits. So that's a quick look at Luma Dream Machine. If you want to experiment with AI-generated videos and visuals, it's definitely an interesting tool to try. If you enjoyed this breakdown, drop a like, subscribe for more AI tool reviews, and let me know in the comments, what kind of video would you create with Dream Machine? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.